Hi, my name is Taylor Ellington and I'm a medical assistant here at OrthoVirginia Farmville. The reason I chose orthopedics is to help people to see the quality of life of people get better over time. Why OrthoVirginia? I've just heard of the unity that everybody has. Everybody's such great team workers and it's a great atmosphere and company to work for. Everybody's got your best interests in mind. What advice I would give to new employees is ask questions, get to know your provider you're with, get to know your colleagues and everybody around you, and build a team that fits you best, and just find out what helps you the most get through the day and get your job done properly. And what values are most important to me is compassion, unity, and just careness for not only just the patients, but for your colleagues and everybody around you.